Congratulations! You've come a long way in your hearing journey and have made great strides. There's still more ahead, but how fast you go and how much progress you make is up to you.
I really had to learn to adjust to the different volumes and sounds that I now could have, which I didn't have before. And it's an adjustment because now you're hearing things that you never heard in the past and you're hearing it better.
By now, your hearing aids should start becoming second nature to you. Taking them on and off should be easier. Adjusting volume and memory modes should be easier. And you should be able to wear them for longer periods of time without experiencing discomfort.
After just a couple of weeks, I was putting them in at 7 o'clock in the morning. I would take them out at 11 o'clock at night. There were even a few times I went to bed with them still in. I forgot that I had them in.
While you've no doubt made great progress, there are still things you need to do to ensure you always get the most out of your hearing aids. First, don't forget to turn to your hearing care provider for help at any time. If you have questions or problems arise, they're there for you, either over the phone or in their office. I know I called mine a lot those first few months. They were a huge help. Second, like any state-of-the-art device or high-tech instrument, your hearing aids need to be well cared for to work their best. Follow the care and cleaning instructions given to you at your fitting, and your hearing aid should provide years and years of performance and comfort. Third, keep practicing. By that third month, I started wearing mine in more difficult environments, like restaurants or on car rides, and around larger groups of people. I gradually increased the time I spent wearing them. I made them a natural part of my daily life.
Wear them, wear them, wear them. It can be frustrating, and it is an adjustment early on, but the more I wore them, the more environments I was in, the more my brain adapted to now being able to hear.
Finally, remember that you're in control now. Better hearing depends on your commitment to using your hearing instruments in your everyday routines. Time spent wearing your hearing aids in different environments and different situations. Your patience while your brain adjusts to unfamiliar sounds and relearns old familiar sounds. The truth is, your hearing journey doesn't have a final stop or an ultimate destination. Instead, like mine, it will be a never-ending journey of new sounds and new experiences, moments you'll never forget. Enjoy your hearing aids. If your hearing journey is half as fulfilling as mine has been, you've got a lot to look forward to.